See that sexy girl from Ghana. She too fine, one of a kind, I call her sexy nana. Yeah, she killing me inside.
I'm attempting to do a silk press. Silk press is simply a temporary non-chemical way of straightening one's natural hair. Before that, the hair is shampooed, deep conditioned, or you can just do a simple conditioner. If the hair is blowout, then it is straightened. Alright, so there are some tools I'll use. I use my blow dryer, my Nova blow dryer. Hey, it has been in the family for years. Then I'll use my Shannon straightener. This was given to me as a graduation gift. I have some combs here. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. My hair has been going through a lot. I have clips here. Then I have two ties here. I have my mirror here. So let's start the process. Yeah, this is how my hair is. I either, when I do a ponytail that will leave my natural hair out, I'll either braid their tips here so that it will not shrink. My hair is prone to shrinkage, so it will not shrink. For the noise, every time I pick up my tripod, my phone to record, then my neighborhood, they start. My hair is a little dry, so I'm going to use some shea butter to moisture. I'm going to pat my hair into workable sections. When you sit down. Okay. I'm going to use the hair ties for the back since so I can remove them early. This the sections I'm going to be working with.
You know, catch your mama, mama, be catch yourself.
Guys, I don't know what I'm doing, but I think it's working. Lower the heat more. So about maybe a 300.
Like it's going this way, like.
At this point, I'm doing what will work for me because I can't. And I feel this is dangerous. Guys.
Even when I fall and you're still there with my hand, lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'm saying goodbye, I'm saying goodbye, your grace.
I don't know, it's weird. Whatever is going on, I like it.
When I fall and you're still there with my hand, lover of my soul. You know they break my heart. I'm saying it by your mercy, I'm saying it by your grace. Now you they bless my brain every night and day. Daddy with the pamper, daddy with the bless. Forever you're my father. Now you they give me rest. Father,
Yes, I'm tired. I'm just so tired. And I don't care. I've started, so I have to finish.
teacher when you sit down.
Okay.
A few minutes later.
This is my end result, viewers and listeners. I do not know what I should call this look, like a blowout or a stretched out look. As you all can see, I failed to achieve the silk press look. I still love my hair though. I still love the way it looks stretched out. Right. So I would like if you all subscribe. If you haven't, join this small but mighty family. I would love it if you like this video. Comment your ideas. Comment if you want to talk to me. You can even say hi. I'll say hi back. And also share. So until my next video, have a great life.